On the menu today, I'm going to make a grilled chicken sandwich, and I'm also going to smoke some chips in 10 minutes or less. Let's see if I can do it. Stay tuned. Whoa. Welcome back to Grilling with Roops. Thanks for joining us. We're going to try and beat the clock on this one to see if I can make a grilled chicken sandwich. Also going to be adding on some lettuce, tomatoes, and delicious barbecue mayo along with sweet pickles. And I'm going to smoke some chips. All right, so let's take a look at our ingredients. First off, we have our chicken, thin sliced chicken breast. It's going to cook pretty fast, hopefully. And then I'm going to season everything with Meat Church honey bacon barbecue rub. And then we've got our brioche buns, which I really like. Monterey Jack cheese with some jalapeno for a little kick. Now for our smoked chips, just a classic, made with real potatoes. All right, so we're gonna start out with our thin slice chicken breast. I'm gonna take a look at these. Pretty nice piece right there. I'm actually gonna make a third, why not? Now I'm just gonna take our duck fat spray, dry these off slightly. You could also use vegetable oil, canola oil, avocado oil, whatever you want to use. You could also use chicken tenders. We're going to try and cook these as quickly as possible. So that's all set. Now for our charcoal, I'm going to be using these Jealous Devil Flex. They're hardwood briquettes. They are 100% natural. It's supposed to be higher temps. You got no dust. We got patent pending all natural hardwood briquette that is as pure as it is powerful. It outperforms traditional charcoal briquettes. These bad boys burn cleaner, hotter, and sweeter with no mystery ingredients or fillers. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get that. Let's take a look at these. Wow, pretty solid pieces. Let's see how this burns. Got some material in here. Comes with some lighting instructions. Alrighty, I think I know how to light those. So we're gonna let that burn for about 15 minutes. Now also keep in mind that the 10 minutes does not include the time it takes to get the charcoal lit. The timer's gonna start as soon as the food hits the grill. I'm just amazed by this blaze. So according to these instructions that I have here, I'm gonna read that. Number 1, chimney locked and loaded. Flex is super dense. Light it easily with a JD boom, which I've used before, which are fantastic. Brace for the blaze, okay, they're already stating, yeah, during the initial lighting, Flex will emit substantial flames, I'd say so myself, and smoke. This is normal, wait approximately 20 minutes. Wow, the flames are coming over here until flames die down and Flex is glowing red hot. Okay, read before failing, okay, I like that, look at that. All right, about 15-20 minutes later, actually it seemed like 20 minutes or more. Flames have finally died down. You can see it starting to ash over. Awesome, I can feel that heat coming off of there, wow. It doesn't seem like a lot there. Kind of like lump charcoal. Yeah, I can definitely feel that heat. Wow. Wow, that's crazy, that heat. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's what we wanted. Okay, in with the grill grate. It's nice that you've got 2 halves to work with. Very convenient, I love it. There we are. Okay, all right, so timer, 10 minutes. Not 10 hours, okay, 10 minutes. Let's do it. Now there might be some parts where I am gonna fast forward. I did that on the last video, because it does get kind of boring, some parts where we're cooking. On we go, we're hoping about maybe 6 to 8 minutes total. It'll be 3 minutes per side. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this charcoal. Yeah, okay. So we want to just get that. If you want to raise it up a little bit, we can do that. That's it. Okay, so I brought that up just slightly. Okay, yeah, these are going to cook fast, I tell you. I am definitely looking forward to beating that 10-minute clock on this one. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love for you to subscribe. I've got more grilling experiments, barbecue gadgets, and recipes coming up. All right, let's see how this turns out. Here we are with our chips. Get it with a little bit of duck fat spray. That's it. A bit of our honey barbecue bacon. Right onto this side. Chips on. Yep, that's it for the chicken. Okay, chicken is that thin piece, at least this one right here, is done. Okay, so 1:30. Let's go. Let's toast these bad boys. Chicken, a little off. All right, right off side here. Let's see our chicken. Yeah, that's getting the go. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna drop down the grill grate a little bit. Okay, what are we coming up? About 1:17. All right, chicken's about done there. We want to put that cheese on it, so I'm going to put it off to the side here, along with that other piece. Let's see how we're doing on this bread. Okay, bring the bread over without burning the heck out of it. Okay. Drop it down all the way. There you go. Okay. Let's see if I can get the cheese over here without burning this bread. 5 seconds. Well, that's not happening here. There we have it. Okay. That is 10 minutes. Now I'm going to put on some of this cheese. Okay, I started the timer again at 10 minutes. Hopefully I can finish this a little bit sooner here. Well, our bread is probably going to burn. I forgot. No, that's actually pretty nice. Wow. Okay, that got it a little bit. That's not bad. Oh, it's perfect toast. So this one got a little bit too much there. Not bad. Let's smoke these chips. Okay. Yep, got the cheese melted. Nice. Okay, we are at 12 minutes. Got some nice gooey cheese there. There we have it. Okay, let's see the chips. Actually, we can just let the chips continue to get some of that smoke. So for our sauce, a couple tablespoons of mayo. I've got Stubbs. I think you'll like this BBQ Mayo. Awesome. And then a little Dijon. Okay, nothing like the sound at the end there. All right, so we're at 16 minutes. A sharp knife. Just took that off of the grill. Nice and hot. We'll see if we get some smokiness out of it. Sauce on both buns. We have it. Our chicken. I'm gonna put the lettuce over here on this side. Our tomato, salt. And guys, it's coming out pretty good. All right, there we have it. 20 minutes to make a chicken sandwich. Got lettuce, tomato, and a barbecue mayo, pickles. Toasted the buns. Thin cut chicken breast. Not quite the 10 minutes, but I'll take it. There we have it. From grill to the table. Taking a little bit extra time, but that's still not bad for a 20-minute meal. All right, into that smokiness. Up next, our sandwich. It's dripping. There we have it. Whoa, very juicy. Got a lot of flavor. Nice. That was a really good sandwich. Not bad for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm going to continue to try and find some meals that we can make really quick. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, watch for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to leave a comment, whether they are positive or negative. I always find them very interesting. They help me in a lot of ways, and they keep me going on the right track. Again, thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.